Hi Louis, congratulations. You're going to be the traveler along the Mediterranean route. Start packing your bags. I need to make some music. I need the good advice from the genie. And it is really important to eat. I think I forgot something. I'm gonna call Louisa.
Hey Louis! Hey! What's up?
Yeah, I have a problem. I think I forgot something. Can you help me out?
Did you take your sense of humor, Louis? That's important.
Oh, yeah, my sense of humor.
What about your curiosity? I couldn't see it in the bag. It's there?
Yeah, it is in the bag. Maybe I need some clothes as well.
True, okay, so take your swimsuits and take your hiking boots as well.
Anything else you can come up with?
I think we are fine then, right?
I will see you in a couple of days.
See you soon, Louis. Bye bye.
I'm coming for you!